This non-destructive method can be used to analyze complex systems at controlled temperatures and pressures over time, and is therefore highly useful for investigating key scientific questions. These methods allow NMR experiments to be conducted under tightly controlled and specialized conditions to solve problems under environments relevant to the scientific hypothesis being explored. The multinuclear nature of NMR makes it suitable for numerous samples. Coupled with this method, it can provide insight into an array of systems, spanning fields such as catalysis, geochemistry, and biology. For pretreatment of the sample solid, weigh approximately twice the mass of the solid sample that is desired for the NMR experiment, and place the solid sample into a quartz sample tube plugged with quartz wool. Connect the isolation valves to the tube for the pretreatment of interest, and fix the end of the tube onto the gas isolation valve in the open position. Then place the tube into the cool furnace and begin the treatment. After the treatment, stop the flow and vacuum and turn off the temperature controller. Disconnect the quartz tube from the treatment system and quickly seal the sample with the isolation valves to maintain the desired sample environment. Then transfer the tubes and closed valves to the antechamber.